Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fragrance haul. Before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell. And without further ado, let's jump right into this haul. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is something that was sent to me in PR. And this is from the house of Tiziana Terenzi, and it's called Cubia. This was sent to me by So Avant-Garde. I will post the link to their website below. This is from Tiziana Terenzi's C-Star collection, and I wanted to share this beauty with you. Look at the box it comes in. Look at the presentation. And the light comes on when the box opens up. This part opens up too. Look at that. Wow. This is stunning. This is something from an exhibit in a museum. I showed this to my family members. They thought it was a piece of jewelry. This just looks like it belongs in a museum, and it's absolutely stunning. This box is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the bottle. It's pretty heavy too. The bottle is a beautiful turquoise, and it has the gold starfish on top. And again, this is part of Tiziana Terenzi's C-Star collection. They have 4 bottles. So I haven't tried the other 3, but I'm wanting to. So I am not going to go into this fragrance in this video. I'm going to make a dedicated video to this fragrance. I think it deserves its own video, don't you? Yeah, I mean, this is stunning. This screams beach summer to me. And this is certainly your summer beachy type of fragrance. Like I said, I'm not going to go into the reviews. I'm going to make a dedicated video, which I will be posting, and you can hear all about it there. This is Cubia by Tiziana Terenzi. This next fragrance I have here is also coincidentally from the house of Tiziana Terenzi. This I purchased with my own money, as well as all the other fragrances I'll be sharing with you. And yeah, this is also from the house of Tiziana Terenzi, and this is the famous Kirke. This one is called Kirke, and this is a Chypre Fruity. I've heard so much about this fragrance, so many rave reviews out there. And it comes in this beautiful gold bottle. I think it looks very elegant. The scent makes me happy. I will go ahead and read the notes to you. At the top, you get passion fruit, peach, pear, raspberry, cassis, and sand. There's a sand note in this. I don't particularly pick that up, but it's just very interesting to know. The middle note only lists one, which is lily of the valley, and the base notes are musk, vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli, and heliotrope. This scent just fills up the whole room. It's a very potent fragrance. It hits you in the face in a very good way, in the best way possible. If you were to get hit in the face, this is what you would want it to be. A blast of fruity goodness. So you get the juicy fruits. They're very juicy. They're very well blended, so you don't specifically pick out one fruit. Sometimes I do pick up like the passion fruit. It's very tropical smelling, very addictive. When I have this on, I cannot stop smelling my wrist. It's that delicious, delectable, fruity goodness. In here, what you get is ripe fruits on top of woody notes. As it dries down, you get more of the woody scent. The fruits are still there. This is succulent, it's luxurious, it's indulgent, very well blended, refined, smooth, very well balanced. It's complex, it's not a linear scent, but I find that this is very easy to wear. It's a great fragrance for those who are experiencing niche for the first time, and it's very wearable, very mass appealing. No sharp edges. I picture this beautiful woman wearing a long flowy dress walking on the beach barefoot, wearing this fragrance, smelling like this, and it just puts me in such a good mood. This is so uplifting. The performance on this is astonishing. I get 10 plus hours. The projection is incredible. People can smell you from miles away. I'm exaggerating, I don't know about miles, but people will know that you're there, that you've passed by. The Sillage is absolutely beautiful. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent, and I can't recommend this enough. Of course, try before you buy, get your nose on it. Some people may not like fruity scents, but I feel like this is one of the safer niche blind buys out there. This is going to be perfect for the summertime. Next fragrance that I purchased that I have here is also from the house of Tiziana, Terenzi, and this is called Draco. I know, what is it with me? I get obsessed with these houses and then I just go on this binge with them. So now I'm having a moment with this fragrance house. So Draco comes in this white bottle, and I think it's marble. It's quite heavy. It's heavier than the Kirke, and the lid is pretty heavy too. It's gold, and it has this beautiful engraving of constellations, I believe. And it's a heavy cap, yeah. I love the detail by the sprayer right there. I think these bottles are stunning. So the notes in Draco are the top, you get bergamot, lemon, orange, and green notes. In the middle, you get peach, magnolia, jasmine, cedar, and patchouli. In the base, you get musk, pear, vanilla, tonka bean, and heliotrope. The opening is juicy. It's a bit citrusy. It's refreshing. There are some green nuances coming through, and it smells sweet, fresh, powdery. It's sensual. It smells like a very elevated and expensive peach dessert. It's almost like you're having a vanilla ice cream with peaches. It's very sensual. This dries down to a clean and warm musk. And this smells like summertime to me. This smells like the beach. Similar vibe to Kirke, but the scents are completely different. This is also juicy and fruity. This has more of a gourmand touch to it. Like I said, this smells like a vanilla ice cream peach dessert. So this has more of a gourmand vibe to it. This is also a very easy fragrance to wear, just like Kirke. This is not in any way polarizing. This is very well blended, very refined. This is a very luxurious take on fruits. Very expensive smelling fruits. It's just incredible. It's beautiful, it's refined, it's well balanced. It's everything that you could want in a fragrance. This is my summer fragrance dream come true, along with Kirke. I like them two equally, and they do different things for me. They're both fruity fragrances, yes, but they just do different things for me, and I will find different occasions to wear them too. And they can be taken from day at the beach to evening out to dinner or evening out dancing. This could be worn in the warm summer evenings out and about town. You will smell amazing, luxurious, decadent. You will smell intoxicating. This is the type of fragrance it is. I absolutely love it. Now the performance on this is not as crazy as Kirke. This has more of a moderate projection, moderate staying power. This does last in my skin for about 8 hours. It's not super nuclear and intense like the Kirke. This is a little mellowed down, but it's good nonetheless. I strongly suggest getting your nose on this. So again, this is Draco by Tiziana Terenzi. So my next purchase is Iris de Syracuse from the house of Boucheron, from their luxury collection. It's a little higher priced than their regular line. So I've heard so many people rave about this fragrance here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and read the notes to you. In the top you get pear, which I love in the fragrance, pepper, and mandarin orange. In the middle there's iris, heliotrope, jasmine. In the base there's white musk, vanilla, and patchouli. I get the vanilla. I get a little bit of the pear. It's very light, very light. I have to go really heavy with this for me to smell anything. And I'm also getting like this almonds sprinkled with sugar, but I'm also getting this plastic sweet smell. It's like I'm taking plastic that has some sugar on it and bringing it to my nose. And I have been trying to play around with this and really trying to pick up all the notes and really understand it. And to me, all I'm getting is this plastic, this sweet plastic. It's incredible. It's the way that my skin is reacting with this, must be because I'm the only one so far who is not raving about this. My skin must be soaking up the other notes. I'm not giving up on it yet. I'm gonna still try to use this and then see what I want to do with it. But for now, I'm going to leave this in my collection. This is Iris de Syracuse by Boucheron. So this next fragrance I have here is from the House of Sillage, and this is my first cupcake. This is from their Garden collection, and this one is called Whispers of Enlightenment. I just love this cupcake. I love this bottle. I love the Swarovski crystals, the look that it gives the bottle. I just love everything about it. The packaging, the bottle is so beautiful, so luxe. I feel like it's a masterpiece. So on the cap, it says House of Sillage, and it tells you the name of the fragrance. I'm gonna go ahead and read the notes. In the top, you get peach, pink pepper. Middle, you get jasmine and rose. In the base, you get vetiver and caramel. This is a peach-centric fragrance, which is very well balanced. It's well balanced with that caramel note. It's gourmand. It's fruity. This peach is well balanced with the florals and drizzled with some caramel on top. It's sweet. It's luscious. It's delicious. When I have this on my arm, I just wanna lick my arm. Is that weird? But it just smells that good. It smells that delicious, edible, delectable. And it also smells luxurious. It smells expensive. This is a mature, sophisticated take on peach. I love this interpretation of peach mixed with those florals, caramel. Just so good. And I'm also craving all these summery scents because it's getting warm here. And I'm going to be enjoying this so much. Especially, oh, this is delicious, you guys. This is so, so good. And the House of Sillage has been having a sale. This cupcake was 50% off. So it's such a good deal right now that they have going on. And they keep having these flash sales. And I definitely want to try more. The others that I wanted to pick up were sold out. So you gotta act fast. I have to act fast. I also have to thank Greta Beth here on YouTube for sending me a whole bunch of House of Sillage decants because she has a large collection, and at the time she knew I have never tried anything from the House of Sillage, and I was able to make a decision based on sampling those. I will put a link to her channel down below. Again, this is Whispers of Enlightenment by the House of Sillage. So that completes my haul for today. Please let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried any of these, what you think of this haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon. Take care.